How to download, open and log into the Netflix app. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can download or log into the Netflix application. So without any further delay, let's get started with today's video. To download Netflix and log into your Netflix account is actually quite very simple. Depending upon whether you are using iPhone or Android, simply search for the Netflix application and you'll simply find the install button there if you haven't already happened to install that particular application. So you can just tap on the install button to install the Netflix app. Once you've installed and downloaded it, you can simply open the Netflix application there, and all you have to do is simply enter the email and password of the account you want to log in. After you enter the email and password of the account you want to log in, it will also ask you to choose a profile, and if your profile is locked, then you have to enter the credentials for the profile as well. Then after you've done that only, you'll be able to log into your Netflix app. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial. And as always, see you soon in the next video.